Unwind the time. Understanding, call it a night. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, call it a night. If you've ever wondered what it means or how to use it in your daily conversations, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together. The phrase, call it a night, is an idiomatic expression used when someone decides to end an activity, usually late in the day or evening. It's like saying you're finished with your activities and are ready to go to bed or simply relax. Think of it as a friendly way to announce that you're wrapping up your day. Understanding where phrases come from can often help us remember them better. The phrase, call it a night, is believed to have originated from Old English pubs. When the pub owner wanted to close for the night, they would call it a night, signaling to the patrons that it was time to stop drinking and head home. Now, let's put our phrase into action. Here are some examples. 1. After a long evening of studying, Maria yawned and said, "I'm going to call it a night." 2. We've been at this meeting for hours, Tom complained. Let's call it a night and continue tomorrow. 3. During the movie night, after the third film, everyone agreed it was time to call it a night. Notice how the phrase smoothly fits into different contexts, always carrying the meaning of ending an activity for the day. It's also useful to know some variations of the phrase that carry a similar meaning. Wrap it up, often used in professional or work settings. Hit the hay, or hit the sack, more informal, specifically referring to going to sleep. Turn in, a softer, more formal way to say you're going to bed. Understanding these variations can enrich your vocabulary and make your English sound more natural. And that's a wrap on Call It a Night. We hope this video helps you feel more confident using this phrase in your daily conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about practice and exposure, so don't shy away from trying out new expressions. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep learning and call it a night when you need to recharge.